Hello, so this slide is the grand jury in the Sixth Amendment. So the grand jury is a group of members, usually between 16 and 23 members of judges. The Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution offers a protection stating that no one can be tried for capital or infamous crime without an indictment by a grand jury. So an indictment is basically a summons to appear before the court. The grand jury is only involved in criminal cases that constitute felonies. Misdemeanors will be handled in petit juries. The grand jury is not responsible for determining guilt or innocence, only that there is probable cause a crime has occurred. The criminal conviction and guilt will be determined in court by a petit jury. The grand jury has determined that there is probable cause of a crime. They will return an indictment summoning an accused before the court. So Volkswagen Dieselgate scandal involved multiple felony charges of fraud, conspiracy, and constitute an infamous crime requiring indictment by a federal grand jury. So as afforded by the Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution, Volkswagen is afforded the right to trial by jury of their peers, the guilt of their crime to be determined by judge and a petit jury. Volkswagen and their executive and employee under litigation have the right to be informed of the charges being levied against them. They have the right to confront those making the accusers, who, in this case of the Department of Justice, the DOJ, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, have the right to assist from attorney at law in the process of making criminal proceedings. In a criminal trial, the Sixth Amendment compulsory process clause protects the defendant's right to gather evidence in his favor. So similarly, the Confrontation Clause guards a defendant's right to effectively cross-examine those who bear witness against him.